Hey everybody, it's Wednesday, so I'm reading a story. Today's story is called Goodnight Already. It's about a bear who really wants to go to sleep and his neighbor duck who really wants to just stay and hang out with him. It's super funny. Let's get started. Okay, Good Night Already by Jory John and Benji Davies. Here we go. Bear can't wait to go to sleep, but Duck just wants to hang out. How will Bear ever fall asleep? Good night already. Look, this is Duck's house. And there he is. And there's Bear's house. They live right next door. Oh, here's Duck reading 101 Ways to Stay Awake and drinking coffee. Next door, Bear says, I have never been so tired. I could sleep for weeks, months even. I have never been so awake. I wonder what old Bear is up to.
I can't wait to get to sleep. Here we go. Yes.
Oh, it's Bear. It's me, Duck. Open up, buddy. Come on. Oh, here he comes downstairs.
What is it, Duck? I was fast asleep.
Hey, I'm bored. Want to hang out? Want to play cards?
No.
Watch a movie?
No.
Start a band?
No.
Make smoothies? No. Talk all night? No. Play cards?
You already said that.
Read books to each other? No. Fine. Good night already.
Whatever. Bed. Yes. Almost asleep.
Psst. Bear, it's Duck. From next door.
What?
I want to make some cookies. Can I buy some sugar?
No.
Butter? No. Dough? No. Salt?
No.
Butter?
You already said that.
Can I just buy some cookies then?
No. Good night already. That Duck. Always bothering me. I need to get some new neighbors. Later though. I'm too tired. Must sleep.
Poke, poke.
How on earth?
I used my spare key.
Well, that was for emergencies.
This is an emergency.
What? What is it, Duck? What is the emergency?
Oh, I stubbed my beak, see?
Duck, you have got to stop waking me up. Out. Now.
But
I said good night already.
Jeez, Bear is so grouchy. His bad attitude is making me tired. Just gonna read now. Once upon a time there was a Duck's asleep.
I have never been so awake.
That was such a fun book. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next Wednesday, I will see you around.